Hey guys, it's Marichu and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be unboxing the new BTS Map of the Soul Persona album. So I have 4 versions and actually I just received my parcel. So here they are, and if you guys are wondering where I purchased this from, I bought this from eBay. Same old, I always get my albums from eBay. They are genuine albums, so basically I bought this like straight from South Korea. And if you guys are scared that purchasing albums from eBay means it doesn't count with like the K-chart or like Gaon, don't worry, because any purchase quantity of these albums, even though they're from eBay, it still counts to the Korea, Hanto, Gaon charts and K charts. So yeah, there's nothing to worry about. I bought all 4 versions, so I got versions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I also received the 4 different versions of posters, and the seller gave me a freebie, which is cookie keychain. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. So these are the posters, which I'm gonna open later. So these are the 4 albums. Okay guys, so before I unbox all 4 of these versions, I have a big announcement. I don't know if it's big, but I have an announcement. So I will be giving away all 4 versions. I have a different set that I bought. So there's gonna be 4 winners. One winner will get version 1, and then another winner will get version 2, and so on. So to enter this giveaway, or if you want to be one of the winners of this albums, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Follow me on my social media, my Twitter and my Instagram, which is Marichu BLR. Also comment down below which version you want to win or which version you want to get, and basically comment why you want to win one of these albums. Also comment down who's your favorite BTS member, because I will be including your buyers BTS members photo card freebies. And also don't forget to include your Instagram or your Twitter username, because I will be checking everything. I will also write down the rules for this giveaway on my description box, so you guys don't have to worry about if you didn't understand me, so just check the description. So yeah, that's all for the giveaway information, and I just can't wait to give away something to you guys in return. I know you guys are very supportive of when I do any BTS related videos, so yeah, good luck. Whoever wants to enter this giveaway, good luck. Without further ado, I'm gonna continue with unboxing the actual albums. Okay, I'm gonna start with version 1. You guys, the packaging is literally so cute. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna start with version 1, which is this one. So this is what it looks like. Gonna tear out this plastic wrap. Oh, the album is just so pretty. I love it. I reckon you guys already know what the photo book looks like, but for me, I haven't seen it yet, so I'm really excited to unbox it. But I'm not gonna go through every single page. I bet you guys already know what the photo book looks like, so yes. Okay, so it comes with just 1 CD. I think it's just 1 CD. I'm very excited about whose photo cards I'll get, and I think they have postcard and photo cards and those photo film. So there's 1 CD, and this is the photo book. It just says Map of the Soul on top. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it just says Map of the Soul on top and Persona at the bottom. So at the back of the photo book is the track list. Okay. Oh my god, guys, it just looks so... Ah! God, the boys look so good. I just love what they're wearing, like, well, thanks to their stylist, because you guys did a really good job. So this is J-Hope. Yes, Jimin! Guys, I can't wait to see them this June in Wembley. They're gonna have their concert. Also, I managed to get day 1 tickets, so I'm going on both days. So it comes with a note. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, V just looks so good with the blue hair. Oh my god, I'm on the part where there's like the photo cards. Oh my god. Hold on. I got Jin. I just saw the signature. And I got Jin, a postcard. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. So this is the Big Hit Edition card. Oh my goodness. Why is it? Okay, so I think this is the photo card. Yeah. Okay, so this one is oh my god. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, so this is the persona, I don't know, survey. Guys, I just saw his photo card. I got it. Boom. I got my baby's photo card. Yes! My baby with his cookies. Okay, so this is what the photo film looks like. So that's what it looks like. Oh, oh. Good. Ah, okay. So that's it. Yeah, these are just the lyrics of their track lists. Yes, so that's it. That's basically it. This is what version 2 looks like. I feel like my lighting is like too strong, but basically that's what it looks like. I literally didn't watch any unboxing videos of these albums just because I want to surprise myself. I want to be like first impression unboxing of these albums. So just like going, oh my god, like the very first thing is, oh my god, what? Guys, Jungkook, why? So the very first few page I got Cookie's postcard. That's what it looks like, and his signature at the back. Oh my god. Can you guys see that? Who looks so good when brushing their teeth? Like, only V. Only V, okay? Yes, oh my god! Suga's hair is like combinations of everything pink, purple shades. Cutie. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so it's not just V who looks good brushing their teeth, it's also Jungkook, okay? Literally everyone's brushing their teeth. I thought it's just V, and then I thought it's just V and Jungkook, but then like almost everyone's brushing their teeth on this photo book. But I mean, who cares? They look so good. Oh my. Guys! Guess what? I got 2 photo cards. This photo book is literally so lucky. Like, they put 2 photo cards inside this album, or like this version, whatever. I got V and RM photo cards, and at the back. So this is the last part looks like. So this is version 2, and I got Jungkook postcard. I got 2 photo cards, so I got V and RM, and then their photo film. Okay, so this is what version 3 looks like. Oh my god, it looks so cute! This looks so cute. Guess what? Okay. Guys! Jimin looks so cute! Oh my god! Guys, I just J-Hope! I got J-Hope photo card. I literally have each of the members postcard or photo cards except for Sugar, but I got J-Hope. Oh, that looks so precious. So this is the version 3 and I got J-Hope photo card. I got Jimin's postcard and their photo film. Okay guys, so down to the last version. Okay, so this is what version 4 looks like. Yes, I love, okay, so get this now. I love version 4 the most. The concept for the version 4, I'm living for it, you guys. This is what version 4. Oh my god, my babies are like clothed, covered with high fashioned clothes. What? Oh my god, this is like the most sexiest concept out of the 4. Why are you doing this to me? Guys, these boys will be like the death of me, literally. Okay, the next page is like literally full of everything. Okay, I haven't seen it yet. I'm just gonna... Ah! Oh my god! Literally, this unboxing, Jungkook's photo card, like legit loves me. So that's the photo film, and I got J-Hope's postcard. So cute. God. Who made V look like this? It looks so hot. That's the last picture. So this is what version 4 is, and I got J-Hope postcard and Jungkook's photo card and their photo film. Okay guys, so these are all the versions of Map of the Soul Persona albums. And now down to the last things. I almost forgot about the posters. Oops. 3. Okay guys, so that is all for my BTS Map of the Soul Persona album unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. Also, don't forget about the giveaway. I wish you guys all good luck, and I forgot to mention that unfortunately this giveaway is only open to UK. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to do like international giveaway. Still happy to be able to give away like albums, because I know there's a lot of you guys out there who's BTS armies or who's fans of BTS, so I'm really happy to be able to give away even though it's just an album. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed watching my reaction of this unboxing. So don't forget to comment which version you want to get if you want to enter this giveaway, and who's your BTS bias member, because I'm gonna include like freebies as I've mentioned. So I'm gonna write down all the rules on my description box, so definitely check the description box. And if you guys want to purchase these albums yourself, well, I purchased this from eBay. I'm also gonna put the link down. So yes, I think that's everything. I will see you guys next time. Bye.